Today we are going to learn about implementing centralized logging with ELK Stack. In this video, you will discover how to deploy and configure the ELK Stack for centralized logging, enhancing your skills in managing logs from multiple sources effectively.
Welcome to our educational video on implementing centralized logging with the ELK Stack. In today's session, we will delve into the ELK Stack, a powerful trio of tools Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana work together to centralize and manage logs from multiple sources. Centralized logging is crucial in today's complex IT environments, as it allows for efficient log management, improved system monitoring, and enhanced security. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to deploy and configure the ELK Stack, bringing all your logs into a single, manageable location. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering centralized logging with the ELK Stack.
The ELK Stack is comprised of three primary components: Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, each playing a vital role in log management. Elasticsearch serves as the heart of the ELK Stack, a powerful search and analytics engine that stores indexed logs and allows for fast searches. Logstash acts as the data processing pipeline, collecting logs from various sources, transforming them, and sending them to Elasticsearch for storage. Finally, Kibana provides a user-friendly interface to visualize and explore the data stored in Elasticsearch, offering dashboards and charts that make log data accessible and actionable. Together, these components form a robust centralized logging solution, allowing organizations to gather, search, and analyze their log data efficiently and effectively.
Centralized logging offers a multitude of benefits that enhance operational efficiency and security. Firstly, it improves log management by aggregating logs from diverse sources into a single repository, simplifying access and analysis. This centralized approach enhances security, as it enables comprehensive monitoring of systems, helping to detect anomalies and potential threats swiftly. With centralized logging, system administrators can efficiently monitor infrastructure, ensuring that all components function optimally. Troubleshooting is also streamlined, as having all logs in one place allows for quick identification and resolution of issues. Additionally, centralized logging systems like the ELK Stack are highly scalable, accommodating growth in data volume without compromising performance. These benefits make centralized logging an indispensable tool for modern IT operations. Setting up Elasticsearch is the foundational step in deploying the ELK Stack. Begin by installing Elasticsearch on your server. This involves downloading the latest version from the official Elasticsearch website and following the installation instructions tailored to your operating system, whether it's Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. Once installed, configure Elasticsearch settings to optimize performance and security. This includes defining network settings, configuring cluster names, and adjusting performance parameters such as memory usage. Start the Elasticsearch service and verify the installation by accessing the Elasticsearch API through your browser or curl command, ensuring it returns the expected status information. Adhering to best practices during setup, such as securing communications and setting up user authentication, will lay a strong foundation for your centralized logging system.
Logstash is the flexible log aggregator within the ELK Stack, capable of collecting and processing a variety of log formats. To configure Logstash, start by installing it on your server. Once installed, create configuration files that define how Logstash processes incoming logs. These files typically comprise three sections: input, filter, and output. The input section specifies the sources from which Logstash will gather logs. The filter section allows for the transformation of log data, such as parsing or enriching logs with additional information. Finally, the output section directs the processed logs to Elasticsearch for storage. After setting up your configuration files, test them to ensure Logstash is processing logs correctly and sending them to Elasticsearch. This step is critical to confirm that your log aggregation setup is functioning as intended.
Kibana is the visualization and analytics interface in the ELK Stack, empowering users to interact with their log data in a visually intuitive manner. Begin by installing Kibana on your server and configure it to connect to your Elasticsearch instance. Once connected, open Kibana in your web browser and explore its powerful visualization tools. Create customizable dashboards that provide real-time insights into your log data, using a variety of charts, maps, and graphs. Kibana's robust analytics capabilities enable users to filter and query log data, uncovering trends and patterns that inform decision-making. The visual representation of logs not only enhances understanding but also facilitates faster response to operational issues, making Kibana an indispensable tool in the ELK Stack ecosystem.
Security is paramount when implementing the ELK Stack, as it deals with potentially sensitive log data. Begin by implementing user authentication across your ELK Stack components to ensure that only authorized personnel can access the system. Encrypt data in transit using SSL/TLS certificates to protect information as it moves between Logstash, Elasticsearch, and Kibana. Set up role-based access control, RBAC, to define permissions, ensuring users have access only to the data and features pertinent to their roles. Monitor access logs regularly to detect any unauthorized access attempts or anomalies. Conduct periodic security assessments to identify and mitigate vulnerabilities, maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of your centralized logging environment.
To leverage the full potential of the ELK stack, it is crucial to optimize both performance and storage. Implement effective indexing strategies in Elasticsearch to enhance query speeds and reduce storage requirements. Consider your data retention policies, balancing the need for historical data against storage costs. Allocate resources efficiently across your ELK components, ensuring adequate CPU, memory, and disk space for smooth operation. Optimize query performance by tuning Elasticsearch settings, such as shard allocation and query caching, to ensure quick response times. Regularly monitor system performance to identify bottlenecks or resource constraints, making adjustments as necessary to maintain optimal operation. By focusing on these optimization strategies, you ensure that your ELK stack remains efficient and scalable.
Despite its robustness, the ELK stack can encounter various issues that require troubleshooting. Connectivity issues often arise between ELK components. Ensure network configurations are correct and verify that services are running as expected. Configuration errors in Logstash or Elasticsearch can lead to unexpected behavior, so double-check configuration files for syntax errors or misconfigurations. Performance bottlenecks may stem from insufficient resources. Monitor system metrics and adjust allocations to resolve these issues. Logstash processing problems can occur if input or filter plugins are incorrectly configured, so review and test configurations thoroughly. Elasticsearch indexing problems might manifest as slow queries or failed index creation. Investigate logs for error messages and adjust indexing strategies as needed. By staying vigilant and methodically addressing these common issues, you can maintain a healthy ELK stack environment.
As we conclude, let's recap what we've covered today. We explored the components of the ELK stack and their roles in centralized logging, discussed the significant benefits of centralizing logs, and walked through the setup process for Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. We also touched on securing the ELK stack, optimizing performance, and troubleshooting common issues. Remember, centralized logging is a powerful tool that can transform how you manage and analyze log data. We encourage you to apply these concepts in your environment, continue learning through available resources, and take your log management skills to the next level. Thank you for joining us on this journey to implementing centralized logging with the ELK stack.